Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about the on-demand lectures that come as part of your extended bar prep. BARBRI's lectures are extremely well designed and they're all taught by leaders in whatever field they're teaching, and they're professors that have been working on that subject for years and have been teaching it for a long time too. Their lectures are really well designed, they're really easy to follow, and most of them come along with a lecture handout so you can essentially fill in the gaps as the lecturer is talking. Because it's on demand, you can skip ahead, go backwards, repeat any point. It's really great and it's really easy to follow. All of the lecturers and professors are available to you, so if you have a specific question, you can send it to them. Some of them will even give you their email or their phone number at the end of the lecture. I found the lectures really helpful for me. The lecturers were all very engaging, easy to follow, and used their tools very well. I definitely would recommend watching all the lectures that are available to you on your personal study plan, and I think those lectures were the perfect baseline for me and are really what helped me pass the bar.